Quick Data Loader functionality in Tagetik enables end users to easily and quickly load external information like global assumptions and drivers right on the fly to update plans in Tagetik in real time. Here's a quick example of a simple driver-based data entry template where, based on those different assumptions and drivers, such as units per workday, Tagetik's going to recalculate the number of units I need to sell and the subsequent revenue we'll receive at the individual product lines. Now, I can always key in my information for drivers or other statistical information just by leveraging my keyboard, and Tagetik's going to show the impact of my plan right away. But potentially, as an end user, I don't want to manually enter this information for units per workday. I actually want to load that on the fly. So I can go right through my Tagetik workflow and actually use the QDL functionality to load that information rather than type it in manually. And one click away, I can enable that functionality, select my file type, and then choose the file that I want to upload, which in this case will be my import file located on my desktop. Tagetik's going to give me a quick preview of my import layout in terms of rows and columns, and then give me the ability to map those rows and columns into different business dimensions that make up Tagetik's data model. When it comes to my scenario, which is a bucket of data in Tagetik, I can just grab that from a flat list like my 2017 budget. But for my periods, I can actually just start dragging and dropping my month column coming from my import file to the period dimension of Tagetik's data model. Right away in real time, you'll see that the exclamation marks turn into a blue check mark, letting me know that everything's been synced up properly, and I can move on to my next set of mandatory information, which will be my GL account. So I can repeat that exercise just by dragging and dropping. I can scroll through in terms of all of those mandatory sets of information, and again, just select, in this case, my transaction currency for US dollars, and I can complete my data upload by selecting the amounts and dropping them over to my amount field. As soon as I hit on run, Tagetik's going to enable that data processing and also let me know that it's complete. So now we can go in and actually take a look at my updated sales numbers. As we can see, my unit per workday driver has been updated across all 12 months, and subsequently Tagetik recalculated my entire plan for the entire year.